Material handling or lifting operation. Welcome everyone to this important safety video on material handling and lifting operations. Mechanical lifting operation help to speed up the activity, utilization of less manpower, time saving, improving the production and safety of the equipment, the load and the people. Lifting operations involve high-risk activities. Since various hazards are involved, ensuring safe operation is very important. Main causes for the incidents are: defective wire rope sling, person getting struck by and caught between dead weight and outrigger, using defective tools and tackles,